Now let's see the example of performance obligation satisfied over the period of time through the textbook definition. So textbook simply says the revenue is recognized over time if any one of the following criteria is met. So any criteria will be met, like the customer controls the asset as it created or enhanced, just like the construction building we were talking, it has been created or enhanced, then the customer will be owing it. So it will happen over the period of time, or customer is getting simultaneously benefits and consuming them, just like cleaning services, payroll processing services, or Microsoft Office services. And third is like customer has no alternative use and the entity has the right to payment, just like in the case of customized aircraft, they cannot be used in other areas, equipments built to consumer specification. So in this case the performance is being treated as being done over the period of time. And there is an additional requirement in the textbook is like that the entity must be able to measure progress towards completion, just like in the construction case we saw example that 40% was completed, so 40% can be recognized, the measurement should be there, and progress can be measured through. Now this progress measurement may have two different methods. One is output method, next is input method. Output method looks like there may be some milestone out of 100 modules, let's suppose which some company gave you to create, you created 50 modules, so you achieved 50% of milestone. Or units delivered out of 100 flats, you delivered 50 flats, so 50% is being done. So this is based on output method. The next method becomes the input method, which is like how much labor hours the contractor has used to create the building. So let's suppose if a contractor needs 100,000 labor hours to create a building and they have spent 50,000 labor hours, so basically you will be saying out of that 1 lakh 50,000 is used, so 50% is the completion, which is the input method. Similarly, cost incurred may also be an input method. These methods we will be seeing into the forthcoming sessions.